Welcome to the Poor Man's Off-Chassis Restoration.com. I'm Danny Magnolia, the host of this fine auto restoration website. Although this site is in its infantile state, if you've been surfing the site, you've witnessed its growth. As with most websites, banner and text link advertising are a necessary evil. This site does not host pop-up advertising. Personally, I find it annoying. When viewing the site, you will come across pages that open up in a new window. I noticed since the advent of pop-up blocker software, these pages create an alert. Most of the times this will occur when moving from an index page to a content page. Just like reading a manual, I always hold one hand on the index and then go to the page that I want. If it's not what I'm looking for, it's easy to return back to the index. I'm sure you noticed that the sweepstakes is official. And yes, I know the link says raffle, but it's just semantics. There are many ways to support the site. Clicking through the banner ads and making a purchase is one. Just by visiting the text links above the Your Ad Here image is another. And my favorite is by making a purchase from the Poor Man's Off-Chassis Restoration.com, which automatically enters you into the sweepstakes for the car. Please, show your support, because my ribs are starting to stick out, and this is America, and that's unnatural.